Today I'm gonna show you how I break down my chicken manure. This is all that I do to break down my chicken manure. Now it's good to have a good combination of nitrogen to carbon and your chicken manure, which is already nitrogen, green, and your carbon would be the wood chip that come with the. Sometimes I would assume that they use some form of carbon like wood chip to line your fall cube or some other carbon. So, and with the nitrogen now, you can add some added nitrogen like your green grass clippings, and for the carbon you could add leaves or any other form of carbon. So I would recommend that from your kitchen green bin you don't use any like raw meat. So I'm gonna wet it. It's good to keep it moist. So I'm all the way at the back of my yard. My pipe cannot reach all the way, so I have to use this water. Seems pretty dry. It's good to keep it moist but not too soggy. And you would turn it. Good to turn it every 3 days. And a good combination of nitrogen to carbon is like 30 part carbon to 1 part nitrogen, or 1 to 1 nitrogen to carbon, or 1 to 2. And that is based upon my research. And you allow it to break down for like 45 to 60 days. Some people said 60 to 90 days, but based on my research is 45 to 60 days. So that's all. And I put back the dirt. Now I finish cover back my chicken manure with dirt. So you leave it like this and turn it every 3 days, and the chicken manure will build up heat in the middle to help to break it down. And when you stir it every 3 days, you will bring over the stuff at the end to the middle, and then like that it keep break down. And then when it get dark and look like soil and smell like soil, and when it stop build up that heat, that heat don't build up anymore, that's when your chicken manure will ready. And just remember to keep giving it water, not too soggy.